Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. Let's discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The US dollar was following a steady downtrend for several weeks in a row. Oddly enough, the greenback remained oversold even after publication of upbeat economic data from the US. So investors neglected either positive changes in the US labor market or rising consumer inflation. Eventually, on Wednesday, traders found a good excuse for a correctional move in light of the news that the congressional Republicans and Democrats continue unofficial talks on the stimulus bill. Investors welcomed the news on some progress in the talks. Besides, the US dollar found support from the minutes of the last policy meeting of the Federal Reserve. The regulator said that negative interest rates would be inappropriate under the current conditions. Thus, the greenback managed to go down from the upper border of the uptrend channel against the euro. What direction will the euro-dollar pair follow? Is it going to carry on with its rally, or is it going to reverse downwards? Let's ask our technical expert Peter Yakimovic in the weekly link up. Hi Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what we got since our previous analysis is that the euro reached our first objective at a price at 1.1910. So this is basically the previous swing high based on the daily time frame, and I basically don't see any kind of reversal yet. Euro is in a strong uptrend based on the daily weekly time frame, and I'm seeing this further upside. So there is a potential for test of 1.1960 and even test of 1.2150. So my expectation is to the upside, and buying dips should be preferable strategy under this condition. We got a rising 5 simple moving averages, the rising 20 exponential, and basically most recently there was a one sell-off after the FMC meeting minutes, but I don't see this like a big threat for the buyers. I actually think this is a positive sell-off to enable even to attract even more buyers to buy from the dips. So I see this further upside and the first upside target at a 1.1960.
How does the pound sterling cope with the spike of the US dollar?
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is a very similar situation like on the euro dollar. Basically, I found a breakout of the 10-day balance, the upside, and the one sell-off day on the FMC, but there is no change in the trend. So technically, speaking of technical analysis, the trend is still positive with the higher highs and higher lows, and basically I'm seeing this currency pair more upside towards the 1.3415 and eventually like second target 1.3500. Both targets are based on the previous price action, based on the weekly time frame and so I see this like a still positive move to the upside, and I expect further upside on the British pound versus US dollar.
At the end of our link up, could you please share your ideas for the dollar-yen pair?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, I found an interesting situation because there is a completion of the ABC, in my opinion, on the daily time frame. The ABC, the type of the structure, which you will see most often in the market, and I think that we completed that ABC upward correction for the further downside continuation. Since this currency pair is in the strong downward trend based on the short midterm perspective, and I'm seeing this currency pair potential test of the 105 level, which is the most recent swing low based on the daily time frame, and eventual test of the 104.25.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.